Action.
This is Atlantis and Aaron.
Hi.
And we're here with our frog. His name is Two Hops.
He's a male.
And he's about 10 centimeters long. And basically we're going to describe the directional anatomy terms about the frog. Okay, so basically what you have is you have superior, which is like kind of the front of the frog, and then you have inferior, which is kind of like the back, like close to his like butt area or whatever. And then you have interior, which is kind of like it's basically just the front, kind of like far away from his nose, but it's kind of like the front area. And then you have posterior, which is the back area, almost like superior and inferior, but a little different. And then once you hold him up, you have ventral, which is just like the bottom, and then you have dorsal, which is like the top. And then once you turn him over, you have the midline, which is basically down the middle of its stomach, whatever. And then lateral is basically all around the frog. So, yeah, that's pretty much just the directional anatomy terms to let you know how it's kind of different from the human directional terms. So, we're just letting you know about the directional anatomy for the frog.